Cricut has plenty of pen and marker options, so let's talk about how to set up a design and make a quick pen project. Now here is a closer look at just a few of the Cricut pens and markers I have on hand. And yes, there are other brands that sell compatible pens, though I haven't tried any myself. The ones that just say Cricut are for the larger machines, while the Cricut Joy pens are slightly smaller and just a little bit rounded. For the Explore machines and the Maker, there is a separate insert slot for the pens, and when you're inserting it, you'll press the pen into that slot until you hear a click, and that's when you know it's fully inserted. And then for the Joy, the blade just needs to be removed and the pen simply rests in that slot without having to be pushed down. So let's set up a pen design. So first you'll want to add some text in Cricut Design Space. I'm just using the word read. And if you watched my video about fonts, this is the one that I downloaded from Creative Fabrica, which I will link below. It's such a cute font with these little designs inside. So once you have your text set, you will click on Operation, make sure you have your text selected, scroll down to Draw and click on Pen. Then you'll get this little box to the right of the Operation tab. Click this to see the options for pen and marker types and sizes. And once you've selected the one you need, you'll get the options for colors. And for this project, I'm just using the black fine point pen. So before we make this, here are just a few project ideas you can make with Cricut pens and markers. I'll show a few here, and I will link to these projects in case you're interested. And let me know if you want more pen project tutorials. Now, a couple things to consider when making pen projects is where you're using them, like don't use paper stickers near water, and the font styles. So know if you want it to look like handwriting or if you like it as an outline. Don't forget all the other font editing tools up here at the top, as well as the style option, which will show things like writing style or italicize. This project is a bookmark, which is why I added the shape behind the text, and I added a circle shape as well to create a little cutout at the top. And the final design steps are to just align everything and then select all of it and click attach to keep the placement. I'm using plain white cardstock for my bookmark, and I just need to make sure I select the correct mat size for my project and then select the material. Then the Design Space program will show the order of use for the pen and the blade. And once that's all set up on the mat, just let the machine do its thing, and when prompted, switch to the blade. Now that it's cut out, I like to use my scraper tool to just lift the paper off the mat so I'm not bending the mat back. And here is my bookmark. What I love about this font though is that now I have a cute little coloring project. Leave any questions in the comments below and let me know what pen projects you'll try. And don't forget to check out the description for the font link and other pen project videos. And if you're ready for a more advanced project using infusible ink pens, check out the video on the screen next. I'll see you in the next one.